Hi everyone! Orange HRM introduced a number of new features and enhancements to each product release. This video summarises the key features incorporated into the product from versions 6.5.15 to 6.5.18. Let's go ahead and explore the new features which have been added for this release. Performance module. The ability to quickly identify whether feedback is provided or not for a competency in the appraisal form. We have further improved the performance evaluation interface to allow you to quickly identify whether feedback or comments have been given by the evaluators in the performance appraisal multiple view. Additional configurable columns have been added and greater filter option capabilities added for appraisals and goal lists. The appraisal list is now configurable for up to 11 columns, and you can now see the job title, subunit and the location details of appraisals created for employees in the system. Identifying appraisals created for a specific job title, subunit, location, employment status, or supervisor name is now easily achievable via the filter options present in the system. The goal list is configurable up to 9 columns, including the employee ID, job title, location, or subunit of the goal owner. If you wish to see the goals created for a specific job role, or for an employment status such as full-time or intern employees, you can simply filter based on this criteria and also download the goals list for subsequent review and analysis by management if needed. Now, supervisor and head of department can create appraisal cycles for their teams and departments. Further improvements have been included in the appraisal cycle process. We have enhanced the appraisal cycle process via a new interface with additional filtering capabilities. The system now offers the ability for supervisor or head of department to create appraisal cycles, to create an appraisal cycle with supervisor as the final review source, and it is now possible to expand employee selection criteria for appraisal cycles. Enhanced ability for bulk creation of goals by regional admin, supervisor, and the head of department. With this latest release, we have provided supervisors, head of departments and regional admins with the ability to bulk assign goals to accessible employees. They can also now add goals or OKRs for themselves. Leave module. If, for example, you have taken leave for a past leave period but forgot to apply for this leave, the system will now allow you to apply for this leave even though it falls outside of the current leave period. The head of department or supervisors can also assign leave to employees for a past leave period. Additionally, if an employee applies for leave for next year and upon defining the holidays for next year, should a holiday fall on the requested leave days, the system will cancel the applied leave for those days. With this release, we have also made some improvements to the leave module for situations where employees apply for leave with insufficient balances. It is now possible to dictate whether the insufficient balance message will appear by switching this on or off in the system. When assigning leave for multiple employees at once, if there are any validations such as an attachment being mandatory for a specific leave type, this warning message will be displayed. Mobile module. Employees can now punch in and out their attendance records via the Orange HRM mobile application. Attendance information can be viewed by switching weeks using the date period field. The system captures the total work duration and total leave duration for a specific week and displays this in the daily hours chart. As an admin user, you can also see your employees' attendance details as well. The mobile application now supports single sign-on to facilitate access to the application with different login platforms. So if your organization is using SAML, LDAP or Google Authentication, with this release our mobile app provides support for all these login mechanisms. Should you require further information about how the Orange HRM mobile application works, it is now possible to access the Orange HRM help guides, help articles and videos directly from the mobile application itself. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com. For any support matters, drop an email to goldsupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.